Sprint Private. So let's try and understand what this acquisition is going to really bring on the table for Fino Payments Bank. We have the MD and CEO Rishi Gupta joining in on the show right now. Rishi, hi, good afternoon. Good to have you on the show. Help us understand what's the rationale behind this acquisition and what does it really bring on the table? What synergies would you have?
Thank you. Thank you for hosting us on the 18 Hour Show. See, Fino went public about 5 months back, and at that point of time, also we had stated that we have started our onward digital journey. And Fino has been very, very strong on the physical network of creating a merchant ecosystem and reaching the last mile. Fino 2.0 journey talks about how we can use and leverage technologies even more to access and give more better and services to our customer segment in that geographies. So the entire investment in PaySprint is in that direction to bring more technology and digital products for our customers in that segment across the country. And we are very happy to partner with PaySprint to go forward in our Fino 2.0 journey, as well as to bring a lot of API platforms, products, which could be which we plan to roll out over the next 3 to 6 months through these partnerships.
Rishi, how much did you have to pay for this 12.19% stake? Wanted to understand how you're valuing this acquired company.
So this company does a GMV of roughly about 5,500 crores per annum. It's a profitable fintech. As you know, Fino Payments Bank is also one of the very few profitable fintechs in the country. On the 5,500 crores GMV, we expect that numbers to grow and maybe double in the next year or so. So basis that the valuation was done as such, I may not be able to disclose the exact number of valuation which is there. But the company is right now focusing on two large products, which is Aadhaar-enabled payment systems and domestic money transfers. Over the next year, they would probably add products around micro ATM, travel portals, insurance, and some of the other credit products as such.
Hi Rishi, this is Anish also joining into the conversation. Shifting focus away from the acquisition to your core business, I think you were looking at strengthening your CASA and CMS segments to drive growth going forward, and the revenue mix was supposed to be more profitable with that. What would be that revenue mix going forward, and also has the monthly remittance throughput reached the pre-COVID level already?
So the remittance numbers are back to pre-COVID. In fact, it is better if I look at the Q4 numbers as such. Q3 also we saw a good growth in our remittance business. CASA and CMS is our focus areas, and we have seen a good growth in our Q4 numbers in both the products as such. The percentage of share of CASA and CMS, which was in high single digit, is now in the middle of 10, between 10 to 20% as such. And we expect that that number will continue to grow as we bring more and more services to our customers and convert the offers customers to honors, by virtue of which they get better access to financial services in their neighborhood at their convenience. And CMS is something which I think Fino is a very uniquely positioned company. We are spread across 94% of the districts. So we have more than 125, 130 partners who use our CMS service. Our throughput has substantially grown in Q4. And we expect that more partners, looking at the strength which Fino is able to build on distribution, as well as bring technology into the entire CMS business, we will be able to gain a higher market share and a higher business in times to come as well.
Okay, Rishi, just quickly before we let you go, the blended gross margins in the quarter gone by were close to 33% with a take rate of 60 basis points over the last 6 months. What do you expect the trajectory would be like in FY23 going forward?
So we have been largely in the same plus minus 1 or 2% as such. We will continue to be in the same range as far as gross margin is concerned. We expect the growth to be good in the financial year of 23. We are seeing good business momentum getting built in the H2 of FY22, and we expect that to continue. The COVID implications on the impact of COVID on local lockdowns and others have also gone. We are seeing the rural spends also going up as such. The total volume of business has gone up in Q4, and we expect that numbers to go further up in the quarters to come.
Okay, thanks very much. We'll let you go on that note. Appreciate you walking us through that acquisition in PaySprint and what exactly it